smiling outside, but I'm going insane. No one can see what I became. I'm losing myself again and again. Late night walking on a broken road, carrying memories I never chose. Every step is heavy in my soul. Too many scars that I never show. People talk but they don't know me. Fake love, yeah, they all just show me. Empty words don't ever hold me. I'm drowning slow when no one sees. I'm bleeding inside, no saving me now. Too deep in the dark, I don't know how to find my way back. I'm too far gone, fighting a war that I've lost too long. Cold rain falling on my face again, feels like it's washing all my sins, but pain remains under my skin. A silent battle I'll never win. Try to heal but it keeps breaking. Every breath feels like I'm faking. All this weight that I've been taking leaves my whole world slowly shaking. If I scream, would you hear me now? Or just turn away like you always do? I've been lost, I've been falling down, with no one there to pull me through. I'm bleeding inside, can't take no more. Knocking on life, but it closed the door. I gave my trust, now it's all gone. Just me and this pain, I'm holding it on. Yeah, I'm bleeding inside. Still breathing. But I'm dead inside.
I crossed that line, too far gone, no peace of mind. Burned all bridges, left behind. Now I walk alone in my own fight. I made choices I can't erase. See the truth when I face my face. All the lies that I used to chase turn my world to an empty place. No more running from what I did, no more hiding like a scared kid. All the pain that I kept within, now it shows through the broken skin. No way back, no second chance. This is life, no slow romance. Every step is a consequence. Now I live with the evidence. Cold nights I don't feel the same. Lost myself in a losing game. Tried to fix but it fed the flame. Now I stand with the guilt and shame. People change when the light goes low. True colors start to show. I learned things I didn't know. Now there's nowhere left to go. I won't beg, I won't pretend. This the road until the end. No more lies I need to defend. Just the truth that I must accept. No way back, I let it burn. Every lesson I had to learn. Through the pain I will stand firm. even if I don't return. No way back. No way back. Just me and a prize.
I cry in silence, no one hears me. Tears keep falling where eyes can't see. Lost in the dark, where I can't be free. Just me and this pain inside of me. Midnight shadows on my wall, hear my thoughts but no one calls. Every echo in my head feels like something slowly dead. I keep smiling in the day, hide the truth, just fade away. But at night it comes alive, all the tears I hold inside. Silent cry in the night, no one there to hold me tight. Broken dream, fading light, I'm still alone in this endless fight. Rain keeps falling just like me, drowning in what used to be. Every memory cut so deep, now I'm scared to even sleep. Voices whisper in my mind, reminding me of what I hide. All the things I left behind still come back and cross the line. If I disappear tonight, would it matter? Would they care? All these wounds I try to fight, still I face them on my own. Silent cry, hear my soul falling down, but no control. Empty heart, growing cold, trying hard, but losing hold. Yeah, I cry inside, no different faces, same old game. Try to run, but I stay in place, looking life right in the face. No direction, no clear sign, too many thoughts inside my mind. Every step just feels unsure. What am I even searching for? Lost again in this life. No clear path, no wrong or right. Just a soul trying to fight through the dark every night. City lights, but I feel alone. Even crowds don't feel like home. Voices loud, but I'm in my zone, talking to myself in a silent tone. I've been here so many times, reading life between the lines. Still I don't know what is mine. Still I'm chasing fading signs. Maybe I'm not meant to find what I'm searching deep inside. Maybe life just passes by while I'm asking, who am I? Lost again, no surprise. Same old truth behind my eyes. Still I walk, still I try, even if I don't know why. Lost again. Still moving, nowhere. Still moving, nowhere. Empty soul, I feel nothing now. No more pain, no more breakdown. Used to care, but I lost it all. Now I stand just to slowly fall. I don't cry like I did before. Tears run dry, I can't feel no more. All the love that I gave away turned to dust, faded into gray. People talk, but I'm not there. Lost my voice in empty air. Every word just disappears, like my hopes through holidays. Empty soul, hollow inside. No more truth left to hide. No more dreams left to chase. Just a ghost in human shape. Empty soul, hollow inside. No more truth left to hide. No more dreams left to chase. Just a ghost in human shape. I remember I used to feel every moment used to be real. Now it's all just passing by, like I'm watching someone else's life. No more anger, no more tears, no more fighting all my fears. Just a silence deep and cold, living life but feeling old. Is this peace or just the end? When you break and never mend. All this time I tried to hold, now I finally let it go. Empty soul, this is me. No more chains, now I'm free.